In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make isometric models on Nano Banana. We'll start right from scratch so you can follow along easily. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Google Gemini. You're looking for the official Google Gemini site in the results. Click through to open it. If you're prompted to sign in, just follow the on-screen instructions. This keeps your work saved and lets you access image tools. Once you're in the Gemini interface, find and click Create Image. This is the action that activates Nano Banana, the tool we'll use to generate the isometric look. You'll see an option to bring in a reference. Click the plus sign to upload your image. A clear front-facing photo of the building or object you want to model works best. Higher resolution usually produces better results, and avoiding heavy shadows or cluttered backgrounds helps Gemini focus on the subject. With your reference uploaded, it's time to craft the prompt. For this workflow, a simple and direct prompt works great. Type "Sipatul, make image daytime and isometric, building only." That phrase does a lot of heavy lifting. Daytime sets the lighting and color temperature. Isometric tells the system to present the subject in that angled, equal-scale perspective that's perfect for architectural and game-style visuals. Building only keeps the focus on the structure and discourages extra elements like people, cars, or busy scenery. If you want extra control, you can add short clarifiers such as clean lines, no background, or neutral colors, but keep it concise so the model stays focused. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. The system will process your request and generate the isometric version based on your reference. This usually takes a moment, so let it work. When the result appears, review the angles, lighting, and level of detail. If the image includes unwanted elements, try refining your prompt with a brief adjustment like remove signage or plain background. If the lighting feels off, add bright daylight or soft shadows to the prompt and resubmit. A few quick tips as you iterate. Start simple, then add only the minimum extra guidance you need. Keep your reference image centered and unobstructed, and make small prompt tweaks between attempts so you can see exactly what improves the output. That's it. You've used Google Gemini to activate Nano Banana, uploaded a reference, written a focused prompt, and generated a clean isometric model ready for presentations, mock-ups, or concept art.